All right, do the next part of the process. I'm going to be doing the throttle cable to the Oko carb, so I will start taking the headset apart. This one's pretty bad. I have to get new covers before we flip the bike, but blue Oko cable. It's going to go with this bike here. So start by taking these Phillips off, if they're still left, because there's a chance they're broken off. Three Phillips that keep the rear headset on. And I always hate this part because you gotta like click it out. That's not even in. So you take the three screws out, bottom here, and then one right in the center, and then you push down because these are pins that go like this from the headset into here. Obviously you take off your mirrors if you have any. So then it rolls out like so. And then if you need to go farther, you can take the speedo cable out, and that'll give you more range. But on this setup, I don't think I even need to remove the headset if I can snake it all through. I'll have to take the front cover off, and I have to anyway because we're getting a key set, so do that. But I need to get some bolts. Take this out. These are all 10s. Let me grab a 10. This one downward, 10. So take this handlebar brake lever off, and that also has the throttle cable in it. That 10 there. Show you guys. Slides out. This. Take these fronts off. This one looks like a 10, but those ones look like 8s. So on these undercowls, you gotta get a stubby Phillips. Hope you can see it. If you can with the wide angle. Just to take the cowl off. So Phillips right here. I think it's broken on the other side, but take it off. It's definitely broken. And they click out just like everything else on this thing. The Dio will hold that. Find what order the cable is in. It's this one. Covered in oil under here. These always pop out, but they go back in really easy, so don't feel bad if it happens. When there's no strain on them, like no spring pressure, they just pop out. And then you can't really see what I'm doing, but underneath the cowl there's a clip that holds the rear brake line and the throttle cable. Very oily in there. Probably should have done that on the bike. Next time, do it on the bike. Loosen that up. Spin, you want to make sure you have slack to spin. Busted that cable a little, but not too bad, still usable. And then I'm going to slide it out this way because the other end has a big block on it. This nut off too. Taking the nut off too so it'll slide easier through all the narrow bits. Underneath here. I don't have to lower this. This kind of stinks when you gotta drop these. See it? There it is. Ta-da! Those will go back together. Dang, this bike is dirty. Blue one in. This one's so much easier to snake because that's the end. Take it. Follow the brake line. And then it's going to go back underneath those slots, the rear brake line. Put the rear brake line in too. And for these, I go like this, push this pin in so it holds it. There it is. And it'll come up and go into the Oko like that. Tighten those up so I'm never doing that thing again unless the cable breaks. And then for this side here, you're going to take it, same thing, take the nut off, make it skinnier. And that'll go up in there, the nut on. And then when you put these into, I mean, I sell them and they last forever. I throw a little oil in them. So it helps. Everything helps. Just take this. Open in. like that, tighten it up. The nut up, and then these are all adjustments. So when you put the carb on, I usually take everything and slack it in so it's as long as possible, and then I work my way out. So that's on. See how much slack we have there? So we go like this, slide this in, right there like that, slide that like that, and you're gonna take it, pop it in the hole there. There it is right there. You pull, yep. Top of that, it's 10. Getting that little notch. That's what I was doing wrong. It is 10. So there is a little pin that goes into a hole in the handlebars, and make sure it's lined up or you're gonna sit there and struggle for 2 minutes like me. That's okay. I'll just sling the headset up. This isn't gonna be a final install because I have new lenses coming, so I don't want to put it all the way together. Take this. Just gonna go through this hole right here. That with the brake line, take the slack and pull on it. There it is. Perfect. And throttle cables. All right. Well, I'm going to take the engine and probably sling that back in now. That cover's staying off. I have a new key set coming. A new lens is coming. And what we're going to do is try to get it riding now. So that's the next part, the carb swap. So stay tuned.